Let's get Luminar Flex for Adobe Lightroom Classic installed and running on your Mac computer. To start, click the download link in your activation email you received after purchase. Locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Now you may need to unzip it at first. Make sure Lightroom is closed, then double-click the installer to start. Review and agree to the license agreement. Accept the recommended default location and check the plugins you'd like to install. Now click Install to start, then follow the on-screen guide. Once installed, enter your email address. Please opt in to receive editing tips, inspiring stories, product updates, and more from Skylum. Click the Finish button to complete the installation. Now a new dialog box opens so you can register your software. Enter your email address and activation key from your purchase receipt. If you ever lose your key, just provide our support team with your email address or look it up on the Skylum support website. Now let's try out Luminar Flex with Lightroom. Make sure Lightroom Classic is open and select an image. Choose Photo, Edit In, and choose Luminar Flex, or just right-click on the image and select Edit In Luminar Flex. A new dialog opens. Depending upon the type of file selected, you'll need to make a choice. For our example, let's make additional enhancements. So select Edit a copy with Lightroom adjustments. Then click Edit. Now if the plugin doesn't appear, don't worry. I'll show you how to manually install it in just a moment. Let's apply a Luminar look or make any adjustments you want. When done, click the Apply button to send the image back to Lightroom. You can also transfer RAW files directly to Luminar Flex to take advantage of Luminar's Flex RAW Develop preset. Choose File, Plugin Extras, and select Transfer to Luminar Flex. If the plugin doesn't appear in Lightroom, open the Luminar Flex plugin application and choose Install Plugins from the Luminar Flex menu. This application also installs or removes the plugin or additional Luminar looks. For more educational videos, be sure to visit the education section on Skylum.com and subscribe to Skylum's YouTube channel. If help is still needed, visit the support page on Skylum.com.